This is the home buying process in 10 steps. Part 1. Hi, Diana Renee here with Keller Williams Real Estate, and I am here to put you in the driver's seat. When you're thinking about purchasing a home, the groundwork gets laid months, if not years in advance. The first step is saving for a down payment. While down payments can be as low as 3.5% of the purchase price, you also need to factor in closing costs and moving expenses as well. Down payment assistance programs are usually available for various types of buyers, so shoot me a message if you want more info on that. Step 2 is knowing your credit score. This will determine a variety of things, most importantly, your interest rate on the mortgage. You can also use the time you're saving for the down payment to improve your credit if that ends up being beneficial to your purchase plans. Step 3 is finding yourself an agent. Make sure you interview a few agents and don't simply use the first one that was recommended to you by a friend or family member. We all have different strengths and weaknesses, so make sure you find one that works for your situation. And step 4 is getting pre-approved. The last thing you want to do is find that perfect house just to realize your pre-approval came up tens of thousands of dollars short. Get pre-approved so you know exactly what you're working with. Follow me for part 2. Thanks so much for listening, everyone. I hope this helps. If you or anyone you know are looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, give us a call. We're happy to help.